The Steel Mace Guillotine is a weird one to get the knack of, but when you do, it feels great. So I'm going to start off with the mace on the shoulder with an upward thumb grip. You can do this two-handed. I'm just going to like to demonstrate single-handed here. So what we want to do is effectively let the mace head drop down, so our hand comes up, and then we bring the mace around and pull down on the other shoulder. That's it. That's the guillotine, that movement. Now, what a lot of people do is they tend to slap. So they'll drop the mace down, sort of tight right of the hand across, and then pull. What we really want to do is keep the mace pivoting about the joint of the neck, and the mace should roll across your trap muscles. And when you do, it'll feel nice and comfortable. You can do this for a while. And then you can start to go into other exercises to bolt on, you can cast out, come up, push away, whatever you want to do. But the key is to let the mace roll.